from Aiden Dreams. And today we are going to be reacting to the second Vincent Modal of Fame. First I reacted to Caillou and Doris rap battle, aka the final Vincent Modal rap battle. And now I'm reacting to the 100,000 subscriber silver play button unboxing by the Vincent Modal. Yeah. And that's what I'm reacting to. That's why I guarantee it. Alright guys, let's watch this video.
Today is very special because we finally got our silver YouTube play button.
Yay! We did it! Whoa, that intro looks kind of awesome, Vincent. You should keep it.
I've been literally waiting, like looking outside my windows and just thinking, when is it gonna come? When is it gonna come? You know. But it finally came, and yeah, I'm ready to unbox this thing, guys. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna get a scissor here. Just get the tape.
All right.
Yeah, so you guys, this is pretty amazing.
That's right, Vincent. It is amazing. Lucky you.
I told myself a year ago, that I would be getting one of these. I would think I would be insane. But yeah, very crazy. Opening like a pizza box. Pizza time. Ooh. Okay.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, okay. I thought it was a bigger real.
Oh
My gosh, you guys, this is real.
That is correct. It is real life, Vincent.
Just how far you come. If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we are so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created
That's what a note says, Vincent.
of the community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone. Just one of the many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely,
Susan Wojcicki.
Susan
Wojcicki.
I don't know. I don't think I pronounced that right.
It's Susan Wojcicki.
This is so amazing. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. You ready?
Oh yeah. Heck yeah, I'm ready.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Woohoo! Congratulations! Woo!
I gotta get it out of the box. Oh, they framed it. Oh my gosh. Oh no, wait, they didn't. Bruh. I gotta get this thing out of the box.
Bruh.
This is big. Bigger than I expected. Okay, am I over there? Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know if you can see
Oh my god, I can't wait.
Steven Matola. Presented to Steven Matola for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Congratulations, Vincent.
Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Wow.
Thank you, Vincent Modal, for passing 100,000 subscribers. I hope I get one of those 100,000 subscribers with buttons.
Because this is very special to me, and I
All right.
been here today without any of you guys. So thank you so much for all your support.
Thank you, Vincent. No problem.
And it really means the world to me that you guys continue to show support.
I am in big love right now with the play button. I hope I get one.
Who knows, you guys? Maybe we'll get that gold play button soon. 1 million gold play button. And to all of you guys who are watching this right now, I want to give where it was with you, you know? With my impressions and skits and all the silly videos I make, I never knew it would get me here at home, you know? It's pretty crazy. It's amazing. So, yeah, a little motivation for you guys. Go out there and give it all you got. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this amazing video unboxing our 100,000 subscribers silver play button. If you guys want to go support the channel, maybe go grab yourself a
Boogie first to Vincent.
and stay tuned for some more content, guys. It's gonna get better. And thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.
Okay, I will, Vincent, I will. Wow. I will, Vincent. Yeah. If I get one of those play buttons, then I will do a play button video for 100,000 or a million or one. I don't even know what the diamond play button is called. Maybe I should get a silver or gold play button or diamond. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'll see you all in the next video, including you, Vincent. Peace out, guys. And you can also watch the Vincent Morla